Hello, this is a music video tutorial. Now I've put together 3 examples of different music video effects and I wanted to go through them with you today. Alright, so the first effect is called ghost trail or echoing. Now I'm sure you've seen this before but probably don't know how it's been done. So I'll show you the example before the echo and with it. So here we got a bunch of party goers and party revelers. Alright, so now with the echo effect applied and all of the settings tweaked, we get something more of the echo trails or ghost trails. Alright, you get the idea. So let's begin to put this effect together. So first step is type in echo into your search bar under effects. Step 2, take the effect and put it on your clip. Alright, it's very bright to begin with, so we've got to make a few adjustments. Change your echo time from 0.033 to 0.667. Also, change your number of echoes to either 2 or 3 echoes, depending on your taste. Change the decay from 1 to 0.5. And finally, change your echo operator to screen. Okay, let's take a look. Excellent. This effect can be used for a multitude of things. Recently, I've used it on an effect on a show where a character was hit and he woke up and his point of view was seeing echo trails as if he was dazed. Add on to that tinnitus ringing sound like the ee, and it made it seem like he was kind of a little bit out of his head. Anyway, it's great for music videos, and we can do different things to it as well. So say for example, you start off with 3. Well, let's change it down to 0. And then let's go back, shift, and well, actually if you just go hit your arrow button, put that back up to 3. Put that back up to 3. You get the idea. So you can still play around with this effect and a whole bunch of other different tweaks with different settings. But again, that is for your ghost trails or your echoes. So that is the echo example. Okay, let's move on. The next effect is our impact zoom. This isn't so much an effect, although it definitely utilizes effects, as it is more of a technique that is very useful with music videos. So I'll show you the clip first off. In this clip, here we go. We just have someone walking down the street. Nothing very music video-y about that. So what we've done is in this effect, what you have to do is in your search region, type in the word transform. Alright, and you should see the effect transform. Alright, if you heard any My Little Pony, that's my little kid in the next room. Apologies. So, take the effect transform and put it onto your clip. Alright, now yeah, we can work with these transform properties, but it doesn't let us have as much control over as the transform effect does. So let me show you what this impact zoom effect does. You caught that? It's just a quick little punch in. And what you can do is once you've made those keyframes, you can just copy and paste to the beat. You get the idea. Okay, so there's a few things going on here. Now that we've applied the effect for this impact zoom, the next thing you want to do, the first thing, well, here, I'll just start it myself. Take the transform effect, place it on. Alright, then I animate the scale effect by clicking on the blue stopwatch to put a keyframe on the timeline. I also want to uncheck use comp shutter composition shutter. Uncheck this. Okay, now we want to set the shutter angle to 180. Okay, good. So now we have the scale set to 100. Let's go 2 frames later. Set the scale to 140. Now we've zoomed in. Let's go 2 seconds later. 1, 2, and put it back to 100. Excellent. So let's take a look at what that does. All right, but we punch right into the middle of her back. Not exactly what I'm looking for. So in order to do this, the best way to punch into, say, her head would be by adjusting the anchor point. X, Y. And Y, I'm just going to move that there. And I'll go 2 frames back. Place it back to normal. 1, 2, 1, 2. And I'll put this back to normal. All right. So now, if we take a quick little punch, it's subtle. If you wanted, you can make it more gradual, depending on the beat, but it won't be as much of an impact. You feel it? Command Z, or Control Z. So now that we've got that quick punch, that's an impact zoom, we can just Command C, Command V, wherever the beat falls. Command V. Boom, boom, boom. You get the idea. And heck, we can Command C by highlighting the transform effect. Here's a video of dancing breakdancer guy. Scale this up so you can see better. And Command V this effect. And look at that, right there. Now that we've built the effect, boom, boom, boom. All we have to do is go on in there and change where the anchor effect takes place. Just one moment, I'll show you what I mean. That anchor effect, right? So what if we want to go lower? So here's that one. Good. And then on this one, let's go lower again. Anchor point. All right. Good. Oh, there's that weird, kind of janky. Let's zoom into there, but let's make this there. All right. Let's check this out. Breakdancing guy. Boom, boom, boom. You get the idea. So that is effect number 2, impact zoom. For number 3, the glitch transition. The glitch transition works on using the idea to have a glitch between 2 clips, the A side and the B side clip, with an adjustment clip over top. You caught that? It's a small glitch, but again, this is just the basis. We can add on other things like color correction or flashes, but first I want to show you the basic part of this glitch transition. Is we have our A clip, we have our B clip. All right, I'll start from the beginning. In your project panel, click in this space, go to File, New, Adjustment Layer. Press OK, and here's your adjustment layer. Take it, and let's place it over this cut. So I'm going to trim this down, and okay, there we go. Make this a little bit smaller. Okay, now that we've done that, let's go into the effects panel. Type in Wave Warp. Here's the Wave Warp. Under Video Effects, Distort, Wave Warp. Click and drag it onto the adjustment layer. Okay, we got some weird wave stuff happening. So what we have to do is first change the wave type to noise. All right. Set the wave height to 46. All right, that's pretty crazy. Set the wave width to 1,759. Again, you don't have to go with these. You can choose whatever works better for you. Maybe it's something like 711. Let's change the pinning to all edges. There. Now we got rid of that crazy stuff there, the black. And if you wanted to, you can set the direction. So maybe it goes horizontal. You caught that? Here we go. All right. And that is just a quick rundown of 3 music video effects and recording.